Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change currency in Roblox. Unfortunately, you can't directly change the currency displayed in your Roblox, and here's why. Roblox automatically sets your currency based on your location, and there's no option within the Roblox game itself to alter currency. I've checked, so I know. But here's this workaround. There's something you can do to make it that will help you get the same effect. And here's what you can do. One, you can use a virtual private network, which is a VPN. Now, a VPN can temporarily change your IP address, making Roblox believe you're in a different location. And this may cause the currency to switch, but it's not really guaranteed and could potentially violate Roblox terms of service. So if you're using a VPN, when you want to choose one, do so cautiously and responsibly. Be aware of the potential risks and consequences. The other thing you can do is, which is the most reliable solution, is best to contact Roblox support directly so they can provide guidance or any potential currency-related issues or adjustments. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. See you in the next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.